This is a 1945 Atmos 2 clock. I bought this clock from the photographs on the right, and when I received the clock, I took video, which you'll see on the left. Now, when a clock is overhauled, the overhaul cost will only include removing all of the clock's parts, cleaning it, reassembling it, regulating it, getting it back to within specifications. When the lacquer and the gold is in this condition, it's not part of the overhaul to repair it. This is where you can have your lacquer restored. Okay, this is what I've done to the base of the clock. I think it looks pretty good when we compare it to the case. Okay, so lacquer restoration is a very labor-intensive procedure. I have at least 8 hours in this clock removing the old lacquer. I have to be very careful and not disrupt the gold under the lacquer. It's very easy to damage the gold. This is the finished product. What a difference. Now, the gold isn't perfect. You'll see some places where chrome is visible, so the gold is missing. The corrosion on this case was really, really bad. It went through the lacquer, through the gold. There was just no way to save it. Right there, you can see a nice little hunk on that pillar is down to the chrome. However, it's been resealed with 3 coats of lacquer. It will look like this for the next 50 years. And again, here we can see a little bit of the chrome is visible. That's what it used to look like. Okay, so lacquer restoration is now part of my overhaul service. This clock fit in perfectly well with the rest of my collection. It's running at 450-degree amplitude, and this one is going to stay in my collection. I love the Atmos 2 clocks.